Yeah, how's it going? Colorado Ken here, August 16th. Waiting for Birdie, gonna go hike up a local trail. I mean, it's late right now, it's like 10. What time is it? 10:30. So I've just been hanging out, not doing too much this morning. It's Sunday morning. So waiting for my Birdie, we're gonna go climb up a little mountain. We'll try to get some video for you. I wanna show you my shoes. We're here at the Trailhead, gonna show you my shoes. We're just gonna do a day hike. It's uphill though. I mean like straight uphill. Anyway, so these are my shoes. I love these things. This shoe is a Salomon X Ultra. And this is one excellent shoe. I've used this shoe a long time. And I'll tell you more about it on the hike. This is the sign for where we are. Straight up. Over here is the start. You can see the city a little bit. We'll give you a way better view later. There's a pretty view up at the top. Beautiful day so far. Dogs are doing well. It is hot out here. And now we're getting some elevation and some vert. Animas Mountain. A lot of people up here go running in Durango. And speaking of running, I want to show you my shoes. Birdie is also wearing Salomon shoes. He tends to wear these quite often when we're hiking. And they're by far my favorite type of shoes too. Now Birdie's Salomon shoes have high tops there. And my shoes are the low top version. And it just depends on your preference, whether you want low top or high top. They are fantastic though. It's awesome. A lot of people hiking today. Everybody's getting out. So that's what you do. You get up, you get out. This is a nice little lookout spot that we made it up to. There's the river winding its way through the valley of Durango. Durango being one of the most beautiful towns, I think. And the town, well, there's Birdie right there. The town is right down there. That's Main Street, headed down. And we always climb those mountains there in the background because those are real nice. We've gained some elevation. It's a pretty steep trail going up, and but a very beautiful view. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Okay, we've made it up, at least to the saddle of this thing. Here's the little road map that we go off of. There's a lot of trails up here, you know, because it is a local trail. So a lot of people come up and walk around. It's right in town. Pretty excellent, but we're gonna try to find out where we are. Try not to get lost up here, although all roads lead to Rome. And off in the distance there is Parents Peak. That's a local mountain as well. A lot of people climb up there and sit right on the side of where that cliff is. It's a pretty cool area. Yeah, now we're hiking on the way down, which is really nice. It's nice to be headed down. So we're gonna head back down to the car. But we were talking about these Salomon shoes that Birdie and I wear. I wear the X Ultra low cut, non-waterproof shoe. And I love that shoe. It lasts, with personal experience, about 500 miles. I hiked the entire CT trail, which was Colorado Trail, which was 500 miles on one pair of shoes, but it did wear them out. And I've had 4 pair of the same shoes because I'm a fan of them for hiking, and they've all worn out in the same spot at about 500 miles of use, which I think is very acceptable for a hiking shoes. They're very supportive and they're fantastic. My buddy Birdie uses, well, Birdie, what do you use? Waterproof shoes?
These were waterproof. I would buy the non-waterproof in retrospect, and when I replace these, I will replace these before too awful long. The seam's starting to come out in the same spot that Kenny's talking about. This is my second pair of these and had a similar wear issue. Last time was with the sole instead of the seam, but in the exact same space at about the exact same time. So they just do wear out at about 500 miles. But it's a hiking boot that you don't have to break in. You can start a trip with them and not have to worry about any break-in period on the trail. They're pretty much good to go right out of the box with whatever type of sock that you want, either something really thick and padded, which is generally what I prefer, or something a little more lightweight like what I'm wearing today.
Exactly correct. Birdie has a good point. The shoes that I'm wearing right now, I took directly out of the box, and Birdie, myself, and Colin hiked up the San Andreas Mountains. And man, I think we did like I'm pretty sure it's 12 miles the first day and 12 miles back the second day. But we've debated that. But yeah, anyways, I took the shoes out of the box, hiked that trail, and they worked perfectly without any break-in period. So they're awesome shoes, Solomon shoes for hiking. Walking down the trail, got the dog. This is how I end up carrying the dog. It's just like a football. It's just like a football. He's about the size of a football too. Carry this dog for miles down hills. Birdie has carried this dog on his backpack for days, it seems like. We love this little dog. On the way down, pretty rock there. From the hike now, it was an excellent day. It was a good hike, no doubt. Got a little bit of exercise, it wasn't very long. But some of the best part about these shoes is at the end of the hike, when you take them off and you put on your flip-flops. That's the best part of any shoe.